All right, guys, so we're going to go for a quick ride. You know, it's February, the 28th. It's the last day of the month. And it's probably going to be the nicest day we'll have in 6 weeks. So we're just going to take a quick ride with the Honda just to get the season started. But we're not going to take a long ride. I just want to, get the bikes broke in. If it's decent tomorrow, I might take the Bergman out. But today I'm taking out the PCX. I just put air in the tires and checked everything. Everything's been checked. How about turn on the key, dummy? See, that's the thing I didn't check, right? Okay. So we're just gonna ride around here in the neighborhood just to get broke in and get ready for riding season. I got my eye on a couple of bikes. I may sell some stuff, keep some stuff. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But, we'll figure it out, right? Phil was wrong. Think spring. Okay, so Punxsutawney Phil was, we just had a blizzard last week, so he wasn't that wrong. It snowed 3 days this week. It wasn't a lot. It was just like these little inch jobs. But, even if it's an inch, you still got to get out there and this guy over here, he's trying to read something and drive a car at the same time. But yeah, even if it's only an inch, you still got to get out there and do it, You still got to get out there and take care of it. So I bought one of those flamethrower things that I'm going to use this year on the weeds I'm so tired of weed whacking. So I bought one of those CC, I think they're called CC or something like that. And you hook a, one of those little propane tanks that you use for grills. You hook one of them to it. And you pull this little trigger and it just shoots out this like flamethrower type stuff. So I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. So yeah, we went and got one of those. They were only $30 on Amazon. So I'm gonna probably make a video about it to show you. I thought it was pretty neat. So I'm gonna probably shoot a channel update video tomorrow in the morning. Let you guys know what's coming for this year and all that, all that mumbo jumbo. I mean, it's still real early. So, and believe me, we're still gonna get a lot of snow. Believe me, it's February 28th. You still got March and April left. There's the park, nothing happening there. Yeah, you still got March and April. We had blizzards last year in March. Okay, so yeah, it's far from over, but once in a while you get one of these, one of these fake spring days, Now this thing here, I have no idea what it's picking up. Most likely it's just picking up the underneath of this mirror here. The Frog Road is coming up. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot up the hill and go look at, see what's happening if the cows and the donkeys survive the winter. These poor things. There's the barn, I guess. I don't see them out there unless they're out here wandering around. No, they got like, oh, there's a horse over there on that side. Maybe they moved him across the street there for a while. I don't see nothing over there. I stop by over there every once in a while and toss a bag of carrots over there because it doesn't look like that guy gives them anything good. Gives them all that crap you get at the feed store, which I guess they think is okay, but I throw them a little treat once in a while. But I kind of do it. I don't go near their house when I do it. I stay up here at the top of the edge of the fence. Believe me, they walk around, they find it. I usually come right here when I do it. I'll just stop like right here. I'll just pull up real slow, take the bag of carrots and just toss it over the fucking fence right there. So anyway, I only see the horse. Oh no, I see another horse. There's the other one right there. And they got a couple of donkeys and a couple of cows. So the horses survived the winter. It was a bad winter, man. I mean, it was cold here. I'm talking below zero many, many days. 15 below once. I think it was the coldest day in Pittsburgh history. So it was really rough this year. But those horses, they love the carrots. They're big fans, okay? So they're big fans of the carrots. So the PCX seems to be riding perfectly. So I didn't expect anything different, to be honest. And they put that fence up there. Or was that there? I don't know. Maybe it was already up there. I just never noticed it. Oh, what do we got there? Oh, raccoon. Yeah, this Frog Road, it doesn't get a lot of traffic. Yeah, we still got March and April for bad weather. Okay, so usually in Pittsburgh around the middle of May it starts getting real nice where you can start riding bikes and stuff. But I knocked out that e-bike video today that I had. They sent it to me in November, and the day they sent it to me, it snowed 4 inches, or the day after, and it was cold as hell ever since. It never got warm until today. Never warmed up till today, from November 4th. I'll tell you, I got this PCX at the end of 2024. This is the absolute perfect city rider, is this thing right here. Absolutely perfect. Easy to ride. It'll get up to 55. It'll get you up there if you need to get on a road to do that. I mean, I wouldn't ride it all day on that. You could, but I wouldn't. I mean, it'll go at 50, all day long. But it's just perfect for cruising around. It's just so easy to ride and maneuver and park and, all that stuff. It's just... I had chances to sell this thing, but I don't think I'll ever sell this. I'll be going to my grave with this thing. If it's nice out tomorrow, I might take out the Berg. But everything's been running. I've been maintaining the bikes all winter, so I'm not having any issue. Everything's starting right up, and I'm not having any of that kind of problems. I don't really winterize the bikes, to be honest. I just come out here and run them, every week. I usually start them up every week and let them run I usually let them run until the water gets in the middle, and then I turn them off. I figure that's plenty enough time to charge up the battery and get everything moving and grooving. So yeah, just come out and start them every winter or every week in the winter and let them run it takes about 7-8 minutes for it to get to the water there. So yeah, that's perfect. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.